Welcome to our video on budgeting and saving with online banking, strategies for beginners. In today's digital age, online banking has become an essential tool for managing personal finances. Whether you're new to budgeting or simply looking for new ways to save, online banking offers a wealth of features and benefits that can help you achieve your financial goals. Join us as we explore the world of online banking and discover how it can streamline your budgeting and saving efforts. Let's get started. Introduction to online banking. Online banking, also known as internet banking, has revolutionized the way we manage our finances. It allows individuals to access their bank accounts, perform transactions, and access a range of financial tools and services from the convenience of their own homes. With online banking, you no longer need to visit a physical branch to take care of your financial needs. It offers a secure and convenient platform that can greatly simplify budgeting and saving. Benefits of online banking for budgeting. One of the key advantages of online banking is the ability to track your transactions in real time. With just a few clicks, you can view your account balance and monitor your expenses, giving you an accurate understanding of where your money is going. Additionally, many online banking platforms automatically categorize your transactions, making it effortless to see how much you're spending on different categories such as groceries, entertainment, or transportation. Another feature of online banking is the ability to set customizable spending limits. By defining spending limits for different categories, you can ensure that you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. Furthermore, online banking platforms often provide goal-setting features, allowing you to set financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. These platforms can track your progress and even provide tips and insights on how to achieve your goals faster. Tracking and analyzing expenses. With online banking, you can easily track and analyze your expenses, ultimately gaining better control of your finances. Budgeting tools within online banking platforms provide you with visual representations of your expenses, such as charts and graphs. You identify areas where you may be overspending and allow you to make informed decisions to limit unnecessary expenses. By being aware of your spending habits, you can make adjustments to save more effectively. Automating savings. Online banking makes saving money effortless through automated savings features. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, you can ensure that a portion of your income is saved without needing to manually move the funds. This automation removes the temptation to spend that money and helps you consistently build your savings. With online banking, saving becomes a seamless process. Ensuring security. Concerns about security are common when it comes to online banking. However, reputable online banking platforms implement robust security measures to protect your financial information. These measures include encrypted connections, two-factor authentication, and advanced fraud protection technologies. With these security features in place, online banking can be even safer than traditional banking methods. It's important to choose a trusted online banking platform and follow secure practices, such as regularly updating passwords and being cautious of phishing attempts. habit. Budgeting and saving with online banking is an excellent way for beginners to take control of their finances. By leveraging the tools and features offered by online banking platforms, you can track your expenses, automate savings, and work towards your financial goals more efficiently. So, take the first step today and explore the world of online banking. Start budgeting and saving like never before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on personal finance.